Hey guys, welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we're going to make A5 Wagyu Ribeye. We have never had Wagyu, so we're very excited. We got this from CrowdCow for about $400 for 4.5 pound roast. So it's a little under $100 a pound. That is a thing of beauty. Oh, look at that marbling. So we're just going to trim this up here. So we're trimming it to a square shape so we can sear all of the sides. Just seasoning with salt, coarse ground salt, and some fresh ground pepper. That's all this thing's gonna need. Please give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. So we're just gonna sear this thing for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then 30 seconds on each of the smaller sides. We're going for a rare to medium rare to really get the flavor of the meat.
That is beautiful.
Look at the fat coming off of that. This thing smells amazing. Okay, now we're ready to cut it up. That was a little under 8 minutes of cook time. And as you can see, that is a not super rare, but
it just melts
between
right
rare
through.
and medium rare.
It's hard. It's almost hard to cut, not because it's tough, but because it's so soft.
So excited to try this. I think those reactions speak for themselves.
Pure Wagyu fat.
It's so good.
It's like a $10 piece of fat right there. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Okay, this is for the sushi. We're gonna do some, that's right, A5 Wagyu rib steak sushi. I'm just gonna sear these. So we definitely had to try this. So we have some sushi rice ready. Some asparagus. Just made a little nigiri ball. Put it in some seaweed wrap.
Wagyu, thinly sliced Wagyu. It looks like bacon.
Dude,
Oh,
insane.
that's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be the best.
This was, I think, my favorite way to eat it. A little bit of teriyaki.
I can't even fake it.
I can't fake this anymore.
I can't even fake it, dude. So good.
All right, thanks guys for watching.
That fat
If you liked it, please give us a like, subscribe for more videos. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and
the aftermath. And a
till the
satisfied
next one.
fat.
Bendy spoon, you know.